Umphakathi olimako nofuya kweMidvaal ungomunye umphakathi ebetheke khulu ngomraro wokuqinteliswa kwegezi. Abavikeli bemvelo basoluqinteliswa kwegezi ngokuphuka komtjhini abo ohlwengisa amanzi. Kazi lokho kubange ukusilaphazeka kwamanzi.
We're very concerned about what's happening in the area with regards to the water quality as a result of pollution which has been caused by load shedding.
Umraro ukufekiswa kwezenzela emphakathini kunye nemraro ezokuphatha nokuqinteliswa kwegezi ilimazi kusasa labosomaplasi abanengi. Iplasi obukhulu bayo umayegere I-112 libethekile, umnikazi utshonile dududu imali.
There is actually no future because if I'm going to go under liquidation, everything is going to be sold and be taken out under my feet, and all the people that we've had working for us also sit with nothing.
Umthombo wamanzi eRichspreet usilaphazekile ngonobangela ukuqinteliswa kwegezi begodi sowugelezela emlanjeni iKlip River. Ifese efileko ekukhitshwe lapha ngufakazi omthelela lo. Kanti nesikhathi sokutshala ngesitimela nje sihlangabezana neentjhijilo zamanzi.
They cannot afford to actually irrigate with the polluted water on the crops. The animals cannot drink from that water because it is very, very polluted. And with the load shedding as well, it would appear that the criminals are also watching the schedules and know when to strike.
Ihlangano yezokulima I-Agri SA ithi ithonyakile nangabe kuraga ngalendlela ukuqinteliswa kwegezi njengomana sekuba nomthelelo omumbi ekorweni yezokulima. Lokho kungaba nomthelelo ekutlhayeleni ngokudla. Imvumelwano zokudla ukuphuma ndokungena enarheni zithinteke kumbi nazo.
Huge challenges when it comes to irrigation, or when it comes to security on the farm, or when it comes to maintaining even biosecurity on farms, because you need electricity to drive many of the systems. On the processing side, your agricultural processes have serious challenges because they need electricity to process poultry, to process meat, to process the grains, and to keep fruit in cold storage facilities.
I-Agri SA ithi ukuqinteliswa kwegezi nehlelo lokunandi kuphungula ukusabalaliswa kwegezi nomraro wamanzi kunomthelelo omumbi kwezemali ekorweni le njengombana abantu kunye nemikhiqizo selibetheka kangaka nje.
We end up with a constant flow of sewage in the river, and what we find is some of the farmers are giving up now. They are selling to developers. We've got a beautiful farm across the R550 where the farmer just can't carry on. Between crime and the sewage in the river, he cannot carry on.
Umthelelo ukuqinteliswa kwegezi emphakathini elimako uyokuba indaba ephezulu ehlelweni leCongress I-Agri SA yamalanga amabili yokuthoma ngelesini iphele ngelesihlanu. Umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa kulindeleke bona akhulume nabalimi ngesisekelo elifunyanwa ne-Ikoro le.
The President has made a couple of announcements regarding the role that the private sector can play in bringing more power to the grid. Also, a whole host of other interventions that he has announced. And the big question is how far are we with the implementation of that.
Njengombana umengameli alindeleke bona akhulume nabalimi ngaphasi kwesiqubulo esithi growing local. I-Agri SA ithi ukuqinteliswa kwegezi kuyokwenza bona kube budisi bona abalimi balalele ikulumo kamengameli begodu basize ngokuvulwa kwamathuba omsebenzi nokukhulisa umnotho.